Hi, I'm Dan Lockhart, and welcome to my speakeasy. I've been in the recruiting industry for close to 2 decades. Like many of you, I started in the agency world, moved into consulting, then corporate. Today, I spend most of my time helping pre-IPO companies scale their recruiting organizations. Today, I'm also the head of recruiting for Event Store. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what I love most about speEZ. Let's go over to my office. Hey everybody, welcome to my office. I just wanted to show you some of the quality of life features as well as the email engage campaigns that I really love about speEZ. So you'll see I'm starting from a fresh dashboard here because it's the exact same place that you'll start if you're just starting with speEZ. And I'll click on create a project. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll title my project and I'll just do software engineer. And then here I'll go into job titles and I'll type in software engineer again. And after that, it'll actually give me a lot of titles that are similar to software engineer. So it gives me application developer, it gives me software programmer, it gives me software developer. So I don't have to manually input these every single time like I would a Boolean string, right? In addition to that, when I go to select locations, I can actually select, I can manually type in a location like San Francisco if I wanted to focus on the Bay Area. But what I really love about the locations area, and there are actually some other areas where you can do this as well, is you can create lists. So you'll see here that I've created EST, CST, and PST. I didn't include all the states here, but actually what I'll do is I'm just going to delete this so I can show you how to create this list. So you just click Add. Here I'm going to title the list EST. And then I'm going to enter in New York. And you can separate this with either a semicolon or the enter button, and Virginia. So click the checkbox, save, and you can see here, I've got that here. I only entered 2 states. Obviously, there's a lot more in the Eastern time zone, but for the sake of this example. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to select one of the filters that I've already built, which is the PST filter. So that's got 5 states in it. And I've got 666,000 candidates. Another feature that I wanted to show you was the diversity filter. So who doesn't love the ability to be inclusive in the workplace, right? So here I can actually select, if I want to focus my search on diverse candidates, I have woman, Black or African American, Hispanic, veteran, Native American, and Asian. And this feature is phenomenal when we have an area in our business that has been, that has an underrepresentation of a minority group. But I'll select the first 25 candidates here. I'll click Good Fit. It'll automatically move them into the Good Fit stage. I'll click on that Good Fit button, and then I'll select these candidates and I'll click Engage. So this is where it really gets awesome. One of the things that I hate the most about recruiting and outreach is starting with a blank canvas, right? It just takes so much of my mental capacity to just build emails from scratch. So what speEZ is doing right now is it's creating personalized emails for every single one of these candidates. And it's doing it for 3 separate emails. So here you can see the first personalized touch point, the second, the third. I strongly encourage everyone that I work with to find your own voice. This is just a starting point for you to go and reach out to these candidates. I would never encourage anyone to just go with this and hit the send button. We don't want to be recruiters who don't personalize our emails. So, but the beauty of this is it's going to send the first one out today. It'll send the next one out in 5 days from now, and then another one out 3 days from then. If you've been in recruiting for a while, you know that a lot of your best responses come after the 4th to 6th email that you send. So you can also add steps here as well, additional emails, and it automatically dates those emails for you. You can change those dates if you choose to. Another thing that I think is phenomenal is that when somebody responds to these email campaigns, speEZ will automatically stop the campaign. So if they reply back yes, no, whatever they reply, speEZ will then stop the campaign so they don't get follow-up emails, which I have personally been the receiver of those follow-up emails when I've replied, hey, I'm interested, or hey, I'm not interested, and then I get an email the next day and I think to myself, oh my gosh, I'm just on a drip campaign that I'm never going to get out of. Thank you for joining me for my speakeasy. If you'd like to learn more information, you can find that out on speEZ.com, or you can find me on LinkedIn and ask me a question there. I hope to meet some of you soon.